what looks like a cross between a mule and a German shepherd, but acts like a cat, a vulture, and a shark. The hyena. Its face is dog-like, but its neck is thick and long like a mule, yet like a cat when it purrs, when it nurses. Like a vulture, it scavengers, cleaning up dead animals in the wild. Given the animal's strange mix of characteristics, you should realize that stop thinking about true cats and moved on to hyenas. The hyena has some of the most powerful jaws in the animal kingdom. These animals can easily crush the enormous bones of large prey they consume. They were even designed with special ability to digest bones, which is a rare thing in the animal kingdom. Like birds of prey, they form pellets and cough of materials, like hooves and hairs. They don't fully digest. Hyenas have strange coned figures and the long front legs with short hind legs, which tilts their body upwards. This makes them look like they are always running uphill. There are 34 species of hyenas named for their coat. The spotted hyena has spots, of course. The brown hyena looks like a sloped-backed wolf with its shaggy fur and pointed ears. The striped hyena looks much like a brown hyena, but more stripes and thicker fur on the top of its back and to its tail. The brown hyena lives in southern Africa, while the spotted hyena once ranged throughout Europe and Asia and is now confined to Safari Africa. The striped hyena is native to North Africa, Middle East, and India. Spotted hyenas behave differently from most other hyenas. Most hyenas are peaceful scavengers, eating anything they can find. It is the apex predator that chases its prey. Although hyenas form packs called clans, they don't behave like pack animals, which work together to benefit the pack by organizing groups, hunts, and caring for one another's youngs. The spotted hyena typically hunts alone, but its food is shared with more dominant members of the clan. Females are the dominant over males in spotted hyena clans. If a male makes a kill, for example, females get to dine first. The most vicious females in the clans are the most dominant ones. It is any surprise that the offspring of the dominant mothers are particularly fierce. The behavior of an anti-spotted hyena are so strange that it seems that there are mutations in their genes pools that work together against the poor creature. What exactly are mutations? You may remember that mutations are changes into other animals or plants' DNA. These changes often cause deformation or diseases. They can be passed on from parent to offspring. So why do I say spotted hyenas have mutations in their DNA? The most obvious problem is at the female's birth canal. The birth canal is the passage that the mammal must pass through when it is being born. In most female mammals, the birth canal is short and wide, allowing babies to come through fairly easily. The spotted hyena creatures to give birth about 10% of the first time mothers die giving birth, and about 60% of their firstborn pups die. Furthermore, before the cub is born, the mother produces a surge of chemical called testosterone. This chemical is common in male mammals, but large amounts of it product by the mother during pregnancy causes aggression in the cubs. This is one of the reasons the cubs come out ready to fight. I said hyenas also behave like sharks. How's that? Well, spotted hyenas are like shark pups. because the moment they're born, they try to destroy their sibling, just like sharks do. They might say it's sequence of the predator instincts getting out of whack. These have unusual drive to fight for power. The spotted hyena mother might try to interfere, but it does no good. You see, a newborn cub soon begins digging small tunnels that branch off from the main birthing den. Those tunnels are too small for the mother to fit inside. The cubs crawl into the tunnels and destroy one another if they can. Weaker cubs hide in their tunnel, too afraid to come out and nurse. So they starve to death. If the cubs don't kill each other, they develop a pecking order, with one being more dominant than the next. I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed it. Consider subscribing and commenting down below what animal you would like me to do next. Thank you for watching.